Are you looking for the best microscopes? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best microscopes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AmScope Compound Microscope Kit. If you're looking for the whole shebang, this kit offers an excellent piece of equipment plus accessories and fun extras. All the basic must-haves are covered: a sturdy metal body, dual LED lights and 5 magnification levels up to 1000 times, plus coarse and fine focusing knobs on both sides. There are also 3 objective lenses and 2 wide-field eyepieces. As for activities, the kit comes with 2 10-piece slide kits for viewing prepared slides and creating your own, which includes blue and red specimen stains and tools. There are also 50 extra slides with 100 covers and a colorful 48-page instruction and activity book thrown in. Number 2. Plugable USB Digital Microscope. This digital microscope doubles as a camera, so you can capture details of specimens and display them on your computer's screen. The plug-and-play device connects via USB and has a webcam and sensor that are compatible with multiple operating systems. It offers 250 times magnification and an HD 2-megapixel camera, plus a flexible arm, graduated marks on the base pad for measuring objects, and an adjustable LED halo light. It's ultra-compact and weighs less than 3 ounces, and it's also backed by a 2-year limited warranty. If you need something for occasional digital use at your business or home, this is a great pick. Number 3. Omax Binocular Compound Lab Microscope. This compound lab microscope is fairly compact and ideal for advanced high school and college students. It features 8 magnification settings up to 2000 times and 4 objective lenses, with an enamel-coated metal frame and coaxial fine and coarse focus knobs on both sides. The binocular viewing head swivels 360 degrees and you can adjust the intensity of its LED light. Other highlights include a mechanical stage that moves in multiple directions, for examining every inch of the slide without it slipping out of place. Plus it comes with 100 glass slides and cover slips along with 100 sheet lens cleaning papers. Number 4. AmScope All-Metal Compound Microscope. You won't get any extras with this microscope, like color filters, slides, or other accessories, but what you get is a solid piece of equipment for a reasonable price. It has a sturdy, all-metal body with an enamel finish, 5 magnification settings up to 1000 times, high-quality coated optical glass, plus coarse and fine combo focus knobs on both sides for precise adjustments without having to lift your hands. There are also 3 objective lenses and 2 wide-field eyepieces. The main drawback is that the microscope doesn't have a dual LED light to see opaque specimens illuminated from above. Number 5. Emarth Compound Microscope. This beginner compound microscope has an impressive lineup of features found in models with a higher price point, including 6 magnification levels up to 1000 times, 3 optical lenses, and 2 built-in eyepieces. There are also dual LED light sources above and below to see opaque and transparent specimens, plus 6 color filters for contrasted viewing. The ocular tube's angle is an easy-to-use, low 38 degrees, and it comes with 25 slides, a petri dish, forceps, and other essentials. The compromise is that its body is mostly plastic and doesn't feel as solid in hand as microscopes with a metal body. Number 6. AmScope Digital Compound Monocular Microscope. If you have more to spend, this digital compound microscope is excellent. It features a 0.3 megapixel camera to capture and display images on a computer screen or projector via USB 2.0 connection. The microscope offers magnification up to 1000 times with 2 wide-field eyepieces, along with 3 premium quality objective lenses and a 360-degree swiveling monocular head. It also has dual fine and coarse focusing knobs and an enamel-coated all-metal frame. The only downside is that there's only one LED light source. Number 7. Carson Pocket Microscope. This pocket handheld microscope is perfect for turning neighborhood walks into a learning experience for kids to explore nature, or for adults as a field scope. It weighs a mere 2 ounces and features 20 to 40 times magnification and a bright LED light, plus it comes with 2 specimen slides and a removable base stand. The microscope runs on 3 LR44 button cell batteries, which are included, and you can't beat the price. Just $14 at the time of this writing. The only downside, though likely not a deal breaker, is that the LED button doesn't turn on or off. You have to hold your finger on it to illuminate the object you're viewing.